To run the viewer program LEG tool, each model SDK DLL file is required. For APX 5050, in the screen path must be copied into the viewer folder. If it is run without the DLL file, the board information will not be visible in the upper left corner. Run the ADC tool. The top left shows board information. You can make detailed settings by setting each channel for board, AD, and AO. You can select a board and set clock settings. The source can be selected from onboard, external, or external direct. Onboard generates a clock on the board itself, while external generates a sampling clock from an external input signal. External direct or direct sampling uses an external clock such as K clock as the sampling clock. In this video, we will select onboard. When using an external trigger, you can select the needed signal as rising or falling at the external trigger input edge. Sampling mode allows you to select sequence mode and stream mode. Sequence mode is a mode that transmits the required size after acquiring the trigger and then waits for the input of the next group of trigger. Stream mode is a mode that detects a trigger set in trigger group 1 and transmit data without waiting for the trigger. You can check and change the board's sampling clock information, and the unit is kilohertz. The information tab displays board, driver, FPGA, and library information. When you select ADC channel 1 or 2, the screen below is displayed. Input signal settings and sampling settings are available. Offset voltage can set the offset of the input voltage and can be set to both positive and negative numbers. Voltage range allows selection of input voltage range. For APX 5050, you can select plus minus 2 volt, plus minus 1 volt, plus minus 0.5 volt input range. Average is a mode to averaging out sampling signal. It supports 24816. In bank number, enter the bank number of banks. The number of bank means the number of ring buffers. Sampling size is the size unit for sampling once. The resolution is different for each board, but since it is over 10 bits, one sampling can be considered as 2 bytes in size. Additionally, the space required for PC memory can be calculated as sampling size multiply 2 byte multiply number of banks multiply number of groups. Sampling time allows you to specify the sampling time. 0 is unlimited. We will change the bank size and sampling size not to overflow buffer. This button starts sampling. You cannot close windows during sampling. To occur trigger by force during sampling. Displays the past waveform during sampling as an afterimage. You can turn it on and off with this button. This allows you to check whether the waveform is stable or unstable. Displayed by connecting lines between sampling points. Perform continuous storage of sampling data. When turned on, sampling data is continuously saved in the set folder. Displays bank usage status, approximate transfer speed, and errors. This number gives you a rough idea of performance and allows you to check for error conditions, such as overflows when a bank is full. You can choose which of 16 triggers to achieve. On the right, you can set trigger conditions. The displayed items differ depending on the model. You can set trigger condition and trigger occurred action items. In trigger condition, the input signal is based on the voltage value set in the threshold. The reason the current count goes up strangely is because of this threshold value. You can set the trigger input offset with offset. You can set the voltage limit with pulse trigger lower limit and upper limit. You can set the trigger input method in source trigger. You can select your needed trigger input source. Skip does nothing and moves to the next group. For reference, group 1 is not available to skip. Analog input trigger acquires data at a timing that matches the analog signal and trigger conditions. Another acquires data at the same time as the analog trigger detected in another channel. External trigger acquires data at the timing when the external trigger is detected. DI trigger acquires data at the timing when the digital input trigger is detected. Edge trigger is a setting linked to trigger type. In trigger type, you can select rising edge, falling edge, or all edges. Pulse trigger allows you to select the pulse width in points. Selecting less than pulse trigger allows you to specify a pulse width range. Data description sets the storage or deletion of acquired data when a trigger is detected. False is to store in the buffer. True is to delete the data. The buffer where the data is stored can be obtained using the wait sampling function, and in stream mode, it is fixed to be stored in the buffer. FPGA reset time is a clock mask function. Reset the FPGA for a specified period of time from trigger detection to acquisition. It takes a reset time of 8 nanoseconds multiply the set count. If the count is 3, a reset time of 24 nanoseconds is required. Loop count detects the set number of triggers. It saves or deletes the acquired data and moves to the next group. Next trigger delay time waits for the specified count after data acquisition and then moves to the next group. Sampling stop is like end flag. After acquiring data, you can choose whether to move to the next group or stop. False is to continue, true is to stop. This displays the entire waveform. The visible scale may differ depending on the waveform measured. You can adjust the zoom in and out motion to the needed ratio in the entire waveform at the top right. After sampling, you can play the data in the bank. This button continuously play data in the bank. This button continuously save data in the bank. This button saves the displayed waveform as text. Even if you set the after image display The after image display will disappear due to changes in display magnification by clicking this button. You can display after image waveform equal to the number on the right when sampling is stopped. Depending on the value on the right, it may take time to draw the after image. AO channel. If you want to output the analog generated by the board, you can check it in AO channel. AO channels are displayed only on board that support analog output. There are analog output settings at the bottom left. Mode, detection count, and trigger mode can be set. In data setup, set the size of waveform for output. In this video, we will set it to 100. This button, start and stop waveform output. To occur output trigger by force. Select Edit Output Waveform. You can save and load edited waveforms. Such as zooming in and out of the edited waveform are available as same operations in the AD waveform data window. The output waveform in the toolbar you can edit with 3 buttons. The first is free editing, the second is squares wave editing, and the third is triangle wave editing. Free editing allows you to freely edit the waveform with the mouse. Moving the mouse cursor to the round button and changing the shape of the cursor to a hand, you can operate. By dragging, you can edit any waveform. All 3 waveforms are the same, but can be reset by pressing the arrow button and 0 clear. Second, square wave editing can be done by dragging the yellow scroll with the mouse. Likewise, you can do a 0 clear. And there are 2 patterns to choose. Third, triangle wave editing is available. Similarly, you can edit the triangle wave by selecting and dragging the yellow waveform. Continuously save data. You can set settings related to continuous saving in continuously saved data. Data during sampling can be saved immediately, and data analysis can be done even after sampling. However, continuous saving may not be possible depending on the performance of the PC. So please check whether the data acquisition figures are expressed correctly in the graph at the top right of the main screen. Due to long-term storage, the file size may become large and it may no longer be able to store on the disk. At this time, you can adjust the file split size. The unit is gigabyte and the default setting is 0. 0 means continuous saving without splitting the file, and if more than 1 is specified, sampling data is saved in gigabyte units. If smaller amount of data is saved than specified value, it is saved at the original data size. For example, if you set the file split size to 1 and save only 1.5 gigabyte out of 2 gigabyte, 2 files will be created. One file will be saved as 1 gigabyte and the other file will be saved as 0.5 gigabyte.